Hey guys, what's up? In this vlog, I will tell you about personification with definition, example, and exercises. So, let's talk about what is personification. Here is definition. A figure of speech in which an imaginate object or an idea is given human qualities. It is a figure of speech in which imaginate object is given human quality. मीन्स इन हिंदी आई कैन टेल यू दैट कोई इमेजिनेट ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसको हमने आइडिया दिया जाता है ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज़ का. मीन्स नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स गिवन आइडियाज ऑफ ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज. इट इज़ लिटरेसी डिवाइस and it's also called figure of speech. Okay, it is a literacy device called figure of speech and personification. See, this one, imaginate object, things, abstract ideas are spoken of the it. They are alive as if they have life, then it is called personification. This is in long and in simple words also I have. In simple words, personification is when we give human qualities to non-things. Means we give human qualities to non-living things or non-human things. See here one example I am giving you. See, door is crying. So door is your literacy device and crying is your human quality. Okay. So for more clearance, I am giving you more example. See, example. The sun smiled at us with open arms. Means, see, the sun smiled. Means sun is your literacy device. Open armed is your human quality. As you have seen in sky, the sun smiled at us with open arms. No. See here, sun cannot smile and also it cannot open its arms. Here it is personifies as human doing such thing. Here we can say that imaginate object, that the sun, has been given life for given human quality. For few more example I am giving for your more clearance. See, the sunlight dance. As you have seen anywhere sunlight dance? No. So sunlight is your literacy device, dance is your human quality. The street are calling me. As you go on the road, the street lights call you? No. So street is a literacy device, calling me human quality. The leaf jump out of the tree. Have you seen anywhere the leaf jump out of the tree? No. So the leaf is literacy device. Jump is your human quality. Now this last one, the book is crying. In comment, you tell me what is human quality and what is crying. So here more example. Rat. A normal rat doesn't talk. Is rat talk with you? No, it doesn't talk. It bite us, but he don't talk. See, but in movie I see that rat could speak and cook. So rat speak and cook. So here the rat is literacy device, cook and talk is your human quality. Now another example, kettle. A normal kettle doesn't talk, but in we have seen movie Beauty and Blast, their kettle and cups are talking, can talk. So in real they doesn't talk. So in kettle is a literacy device and talking is your human quality. Okay. The above examples show that imaginate object, non-living thing given life. Means the action is human, but the things that are doing action, that are imaginate object or literacy device. Now we'll talk about exercise. Okay, so first, the butterfly flitted from flower to flower. The butterfly flitted flower to flower. So see here, option is given, floating gently or playing hide and seek. So answer is hide and seek, because flower to flower means hide and seek, playing hide and seek. So answer is your butterfly flitted from flower to flower having hide and seek. Playing means hide and seek. Next, the crayon before use remarkable in it widened and depth. So here gap is there. I'm right, here gap is there. So here will be yamed. The widest shade is in black garden was slumped over depth. Answer is garden slumped over depth was. Okay. The sundown van dash through its very last strip, means the sundown van suffered through its last trip. Now next, see, the rusted old castle dash every corner of the scarp yam long in. The path was steep and rocky, and the bus dash hard as it made slow action. Breathe. It will be breathe. The blanket of snow dash the cozy little cottage. Answer will be your, you wrapped it arm around. See here, W will be silent. Wrapped it arm around. The wind dashed despaired the leaves that Thomas had spent so long ranking carelessly. So, you have any problem, please comment it. Please like my video. And one example I have given you, that the book is crying. Here, see, the book is crying. This, tell me the answer in the comment box. So please like it, subscribe my video and comment on it. Thank you. Bye bye.